Are you thinking of canceling your Paramount Plus subscription? Whether you've finished binge watching your favorite shows or just want to take a break, canceling your Paramount Plus account is a simple process. Follow this step-by-step guide to cancel your subscription today. Step 1. Open Paramount Plus website or app. Go to the Paramount Plus website, www.paramountplus.com, or open the Paramount Plus app on your device. Step 2. Log in to your account. Click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the website or app. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find and click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 4. Locate the subscription section. In your account settings, scroll down until you see the subscription and billing section. Step 5. Cancel your subscription. Look for the Cancel Subscription option and click on it. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may ask for feedback on why you're canceling. You can select any reason that applies or simply skip this step. Confirm your cancellation by clicking Cancel Subscription again. Step 6. Confirmation email. After canceling, you will receive a confirmation email from Paramount Plus. This confirms that your subscription has been canceled and provides details about when access will end. Step 7. Verify cancellation, optional. To double-check, you can revisit the account page to ensure your subscription status reads canceled. Important notes: if you subscribed through a third-party service, such as iTunes or Amazon, you'll need to cancel through that platform. Your access to Paramount Plus will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, even after cancellation. Keep in mind, canceling your subscription may prevent you from accessing future content, but doesn't immediately remove your account. Now you're all set. You've successfully canceled your Paramount Plus subscription. If you ever want to rejoin, it's easy to sign up again at any time.